How to log in account in Binance. Are you guys facing issue to log in into your account on Binance application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To log in into your Binance account, first of all, open Binance app on your mobile device. Once you open the Binance app, look at the top of your screen where you can see this option for sign up/login. You are looking to log in into your account, right? Just simply tap on it. In order to log in into your account, you need to have an account first. If you don't know how to create an account, then make sure to check out our guide on how to do it. Over this section, write down your registered email and password. As soon as you write it down, they'll send you verification code on your email. Just simply write down the verification code and tap on continue. Once you click on continue, your account will be instantly logged in, and that's it guys. That's how you're gonna log in into your account on Binance. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.